welcome back to my channel. So I hope everybody's doing okay. So today I'm gonna use this little heart-shaped wooden canvas again because I didn't like what I made. So I'm going to pour over it, and I want to try to do an iris, and I'm using the same cheap crafts paints that I used before, and I'm just gonna layer them. Let's blow this out. I'm gonna first try my hair blower. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna go buy a straw. Okay, that's not working. Okay, let's see if I can get it a little bit lighter. Okay, I lost so much definition in here. I think I might consider putting some of the paint back on and trying again. So let's see what happens if I blow out this. I don't like the harsh middle. Okay, now I'm just making a really big mess. Let's clean this up and try again. I've got a piece of plastic, just normal plastic, it's not thick or anything. Round it off the corners. Let's see if we can swipe with it. Don't know what's going on today. Maybe today wasn't the best day to go and paint, because it's actually, when I'm recording this, the last day of the year. So let's try the black. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop this video here. I don't like this. I'm gonna scrape it. I'm gonna let the wood dry and paint another day. So, as you can see, it's not always good things that happen. I don't mind. It's not a problem. Everybody has fails, and maybe it's good to show you a fail.